As the court pleases, my lord.
Yeah.
Just before the short adjournment, the court ordered that Mr. Leka should come to court.
Yeah, quite.
We did make contact with him.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Tebengu has arrived in the place of Mr. Leka.
Yeah.
Mr. Tebengu is the head of CMAX prison.
I see.
So he's above Mr. Leka.
Where is Mr. Leka?
Well, Mr. Leka is available, but the person to talk to the issues that have been raised
I see, okay.
is Mr. Tebengu. And we had a brief consultation in the presence of Advocate Mshololo when, or after Mr. Tebengu had arrived.
Yeah.
And subject to confirmation by Advocate Mshololo, there's a dispute of facts as to exactly what happened and what is happening. And subject to confirmation by Advocate Mshololo, they want to bring an application. And I think Ms. Simpson, if I'm not mistaken, from Legal Aid South Africa is also present in court with a view to having a discussion regarding that issue.
Does Mr. Tabakune?
Mr. Tebengu.
Tebengu.
Mr. Tebengu.
Do you know anything about the happenings? I'm told the happenings were during recess. Come forward here. Please, sorry about that. Do you know what is entailed in this problem?
I do, my lord.
Yeah, you can tell me. What do you know about it?
What I know is that Mutuli is given opportunity to call family. He has done that already 2 times.
Yes, what?
To contact the family.
Oh, you said he must call his family.
No, he already called 2 times.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then with regard to legal representative, he knows that he has to write a request, then we approve it for him to contact the legal representative. And up to so far, we didn't yet receive any request in a written form to contact the legal representative.
Kade inkosi enkantolo ngibuza ke kufakazi ukuthi ngabe unalo ulwazi yini malana nesimo esidalekile noma nesimo esikhonake lesinumzana uNtuli edakhuluma ngaso ke athi yebo ke unalo ke ulwazi yena ke umnumzana uCebengu yena ke khona ke namuhla ngoba ke iyona ke induna kaMnumzana ke uLeka uLeka ke athi malana nophicelezi nodaba locingo lwakho lokuthi ufoneleke umndeni athi yebo isikhathi leso sitholile futhi bakuvumelile ukuthi ushayele ucingo ikhathi ezimbili zahlukene athi kepha malana nodaba lokuthi ushayela abamili bakho ke lapho ke kwamele ukuthi uqala ubhaleke incwadi umuntu ubhala incwadi ke lapho ke bese iyakubona ke bese bayivuma ke ukuthi wena ke usungaze ukhulume nabantu bakho.
So this was when? Last week or when?
Okay, he called on the 12th
of what?
Of July.
Right.
And the 18th of July as well, he contacted his wife.
Athi ke ikhathi lezi ezimbili zahlukene ke washela ngashela ngomndeni ucingo ke ilanga lokuqala ke lapho kade kuyilanga la nge-12 ka July bese ke ilanga lesibili kwakuwa ilanga la nge-18 ka July la kade ufuna khona ke umama wasekhaya.
Yeah.
Then with regard to the blankets, or he's having a sheet and 3 blankets in his lot.
Athi wena nedaba lo blanket ke lapho katshona ke lo blanket 3 athi unama blanket awu3 ke lapho ke stingu ezintathu ke lezo futhi nama nesheet elilodwa ke.
When did you see those? When did you see those blankets in the sheets?
Ngabe ke lo blanket ubone nini futhi nala sheet ubone.
This morning, my lord.
Athi namuhla kusasa.
Does he share a cell with some other persons?
No, he's staying alone in a cell, my lord.
So those blankets were purely his.
Correct, my lord.
Bebuza ke futhi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe khona yini esisiboshwa ohlala naso ngaphakathi kulela selo okulona ka ufakazi cha ohlala wedwana ke lapha yana athi futhi labo blanket ababonile ke babone ngesikhathi namuhla kusasa.
So he says somebody deprived him of the sheets and the blankets. And he calls the name of Lekwa. Actually, the word he uses, he was tortured.
My Lord, each and every member is entitled, it is his right to have blankets and the sheet. So we cannot deny him as such.
Inkosi inkantolo beyibuza ke futhi ubufakazi ukuthi khona ke udaba oluqhamukileyo namuhla ukuthi wena ke umnumzana bakuvindile ukuthi noma bakuphuce amalungelo akho futhi sebacikela phansi ethizeni ongasebenzisi ke ingubo lapho ke futhi nelokuzana namashiti ke athi isiboshwa nesiboshwa sinelungelo lokuthi lisebenzise ke abo blanket futhi namashiti.
But I'm told he was transferred to the CIMEX or what?
Yes, my Lord, to CIMEX.
He's transferred to CIMEX.
On the 9th.
On the 9th
of July 2025, my Lord.
9th of July.
Correct, my Lord.
What was the reason?
The reason was that he was found in possession of a cell phone, my Lord.
Inkosi enkantolo beyibuza kubufakazi ukuthi khona udaba oluqhamukile elokuthi wona kwathathwa kula kuleseli kaDudona ke somiliswa kwenye ke iCIMEX ke lapho ke athi ufakazi yebo kunjalo wathathwa lapho kuleseli noma kuleseli lendawo kwathugcinwa ke bathatha bakumilisa kule yaseCIMEX athi lokho kwenzeka ngelanga la nge-9 zaka July athi imbangela noma isathi sokuthi kwenzeka lokho ukuthi otholakala ke uphethe umakhalekhukhwini kuwena.
So he was transferred to CIMEX on the 9th.
On the 9th, the cell phone was
July.
found on the 8th. Yes.
Hello?
The cell phone was found on the 8th of July, then was transferred to CIMEX on the 9th July 2025.
Athi komakhalekhukhwini bakuthola ke na unawo ke ngelanga la nge-8 zaka July kepha bakutransfera nale noma bakumikisa ke CIMEX ngelanga elapho elandelayo kelanga la 9 zaka July.
Who found the cell phone?
Ubani ukuthola ucingo kumakhalekhukhwini kena?
My Lord, I cannot tell
Oh.
because it was, I cannot tell.
Have you ever seen that cell phone?
No, I didn't see the cell phone, my Lord.
Who entertained the report about the cell phone? Or the complaint about that he was in possession of a cell phone?
Okay, the searching was conducted by the National EST Task Team.
When was the searching conducted?
On the 8th.
Right? 8th of July, right?
And the National Commissioner was present and he gave instruction that he be transferred to CIMEX because he wanted to investigate the cell phone.
Athi kade khona ke record esenziwa ke lapho ke abantu base National EST ngelanga la nge-8 lapho wathola khona ke ucingo kuwena ke futhi wathi futhi nomcommissioner lapho ke kade khona ke bathi uyena ke wathi owakhuluma ukuthi umuntu bakutransfere bakuthatha ngala bakumilise ngale iCIMEX bese benze kuphenya noma ukusesha kwecala ukuthi ngabe ucingo lolo kola ungena kanjani kuwena ke noma bathola kanjani kuwena. Futhi inkosi enkantolo ibuzile kufakazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe ubani ke wathola ukuthi ucingo lolo ngathi ufakazi lona akanako ukukhuluma phecelezi nodaba lolo ke babuza futhi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe yena ke walibona ngameso akhe ucingo lolo ke athi cha yena akakazi alibona ngoba bekangekho ke lapho.
But were you present on the 8th?
Ngabe bathi khona ngelanga la nge-8?
No, I was not present, my Lord.
What time was the search conducted?
My Lord, I can
You don't know.
roughly say 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night.
At night.
Yes.
Bathi ngabe kade khona ke ngekhathi esikade kuseshwa athi cha kade angekho ke lapho kathi manje ngabe kwaseshwa ngasiphi isikhathi athi angathi mhlawumbe ebusuku phakathi kwehora laka-11 ebusuku ukuya kwehora laka-12 ebusuku.
Any other thing you know about this problem?
No, my Lord, I think that is okay. No, I think that is all, my Lord.
Athi ufakazi ukuthi mhlawumbe lokho kuphela akukho okunye akwaziyo ngalolu daba.
Was there a complaint lodged by him?
Ngabe sikhona yini?
Was there a complaint lodged that he's tortured, for instance, or I don't know?
Ngabe sikhona yini isikhalazo wasiletha kini ukuthi mhlawumbe yahlukumezeka laphayana?
No complaint, my Lord.
Athi cha asikho isikhalazo naso noma wasifaka lapho kubona-ke.
Was the charge also preferred against, I don't know, anybody, even the national director, whoever?
Mhlawumbe khona icala walivela omunye mhlawumbe abaphathi bakho lapha ejele noma
I don't understand. Did we or did he?
He has he lost a charge, for instance. If they tortured him, as he says, did he lost a charge that he was tortured?
No, not of I know, but what?
You say, where's Mr. Letlaki? Mr.
Letter.
Letter.
Yes,
Because he says pertinently he was tortured by him.
my lord, every torture or anything that is, any incident is reported in my office with immediate effect.
bathi kana ke umnumzana uthize umuntu odashukuma lapho ke umnumzana ke uletha ke ubufakazi unalo yini ulwazi oludaba lolonke athi yena ke nanoma yini eyenzeka ngaphakathi lapha ke emasangweni asejeleke baceba kuye
Have you spoken to Mr. Letta?
Yes, I talked to Mr. Letta this morning. Mr. Letta, one of his responsibilities is to interview all offenders that are going out of the centers, either to hospital or to court.
athi yebo kukhulumileke naye umnumzana Letta esikhathini samanje sakusasa ke futhi athi umnumzana Letta umuntu ovame ukuthi mhlawumbe beneyinkulumo ke neziboshwane ezikhala ngaphakathi lapha ejele mhlawumbe abayimikisa kwinkantolo ezahlukene futhi nasesibhedlela.